In today's video, we're going to be going over exactly what a change of character is and what a break of structure is and the difference between the two of them. Why this is important, because this goes hand in hand with a lot of strategies that I see on the day-to-day. So if you guys are ready to jump in and learn about change of characters and break of structures, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for future videos. Let's get into it. Now, before we move over to the charts, I really want to break down exactly what the two are so that you can understand them to the full extent. And then we're going to jump over the charts and see them in action and draw them up on the chart a little bit. So first thing is break of structure. The market's going to be continuing in its current direction. That is called a break of structure. Every time that you wipe out the current highs on an uptrend, that is a break of structure. And I'll show you here in a little bit. But I just want you to understand the market is continuing in the same direction if we are getting breaks of structures. Now, in a change of character, the market is looking to reverse. It's in an uptrend and price breaks below a higher low. That would be a change of character. Now, obviously, me throwing around words isn't going to be doing much, so I actually have an example right here breaking it down. So a break of structure is going to be every time we take this high in an uptrend right there. So you can see two breaks of structure. Now, you can see we're in an uptrend getting a break of structure every time we sweep out one of these highs. Well, what happens if we sweep out one of the lows that we create? That would be called a change of character. And a change of character is telling us one of two things. We're looking to make a new trend, okay? It's pretty straightforward. We're either gonna be sweeping liquidity, continue on our current track, or we're breaking the current structure and we're creating a new trend. So if we're in an uptrend and we get a change of character, we might be able to see a new trend, either in a range or a downtrend, continuing out of that uptrend. So now that we kind of have a basis of what exactly is a break of structure, what exactly is a change of character, let's jump over the charts and see this live, for example. So before we look at the charts again, I'm going to draw out my drawing tool right here. And we are going to draw a trend. We're going to draw a nice, clean trend that's going up and then one that decides to break it. And we're going to map out together where each of the break of structures are. So we have a break of structure right here. As we break above this high, we have another break of structure when we sweep out this high right here. We have another break of structure right there. So we have three break of structures here. Every time we take out a new high in an uptrend, that would be called a break of structure. So this is the most recent high. We break it. That is a break of structure right here. As we break above it, we set up a new high right here. Pull on back, we break it again, this most recent high, that would be a break of structure. Same thing right here. As soon as we break it through here, this would now be a break of structure. Now, what happens now when we don't respect the trend and continuing to break structure on our way up? Well, that is called a change of character when we sweep out to the other side, which is the lows. So as you can see, each low is protected. We never touch it until right here. What that's telling us is that there's not enough buying pressure to hold this up and protect the most recent swing low, showing us that price wants to make a new trend. It's getting exhausted in the current trend and is looking to make a new trend or needs more energy to continue on its current trend. So as we break below this most recent low right here, that is going to be a change of character. Now, this is a key part into my free strategy that I teach to fully understand what is the difference between the two and how to spot the two, because this is going to be the first sign we look for to see exactly if we can catch the next reversal trend out of the current trend that we have setting up. So step number one, you want to see a strong trend with lots of breaks of structures on its way up or down. And then we want to see it sweep out the most recent swing higher low right here. And that would be called a change of character, which we can roll into the other rolls as we go. So that is it for this video. If you guys want to watch the full entire complete strategy, all you have to do is click the video right up here. And if you guys want more content of mine, you can click the video right here. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more trading content. I hope you enjoyed this. Drop a comment if you guys liked what you saw or if you guys have any questions that I can answer. Peace out.